Hello everybody, John here, AK Press Rebels, and once again, welcome to my laboratory. Today, not I just have just one, but two pre-kits battle styles that we're going to quickly open up and see what we're going to get. Let's set one over. Let's see what the main card's going to be. Oh, that's always good. Box down. We got ourselves a auxiliary, so always use a card for this set. And let's go start with packs. But, just like we're doing in my last videos, I got a pair of scissors. Trying to be respectful to those who have the sensitivity in ears. We got green code. Let's see what we get. Today it's just kind of going through them really quick to make a little quick video for you guys. Raven Bell is always a cool card to get. Ooh, code card. Let's put that on the side. Awesome. Oh, look at that. The Grosmo V and the Tower. That's not bad. Put those two right there. That. Yeah, like I said, I went to my local card shop today, guys, and I bought two build battle kits. And I thought, you know what, let's see what the odds are today. Ooh, we got my code. Okay, so awesome. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, I got the card. I do see something coming up. I'm not sure what it'll be, but oh, what? Look at that! This is my second one. First one I pulled on video, but the second one I've got overall. Wow, it was a good day to buy a pre-box, build a battle box. You were sitting right there. That was it for the 4 on that side. So, yeah, let's see how well the second box does. That was not bad. Again, another amazing card right there. And let's see what the next box has to say. Ooh, sometimes these packs are a struggle. But the struggle might be worth it because it's all white code. We're gonna hope that that struggle made a profit. Fire. Cedra. Twilight. Bronzar. Spike. Oh, it's Entei. Not bad. Three more packs. Yeah, even though the set has been out for a while, I've always been a fan of just seeing what they have sometimes, and you may never know. It may actually be something good. There's your code card. I'm gonna project water. Oh, no. Oh, that's that one me. We'll set this on your side. I mean, not the best card in the world, but I'll tell you what, if you're playing build battle tournaments, I mean, it'd be a very interesting card to have, for sure. I got a green code. Honcho. I think I'll go with the cards there. On the last pack, guys. Last pack for today. And to know what happens, that Tyranitar made up for whatever is not in this or it is in this pack right here. Sometimes these packs just weren't all that for that. But yeah, packs are pretty good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at that Tyranitar though. I mean, Pokemon, once in a while, they do very well. And this is one of those cards that goes, wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little opening. And don't forget to like and subscribe, leave some comments what you guys think. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.